video with a still just to get the key setup points really locked in. So if you look at my feet width, they're outside, their shoulder width are outside. When people do the walking lunge, the main problem they run into is they do it like they're almost on a tightrope. You want to keep that really wide positioning between the feet. The knees are lined up perfectly with where the toes are pointing, both front and back. And it's very important that the back foot is pointing perfectly forward also, right? So that there's no hip in that back, no rotation in that back knee or hip. My shoulders are locked together, my torso is tight. We want to think of the walking lunge as a full body exercise. We don't want to just treat it as lower body. We want to keep the core tight, obviously, but the torso really rigid and stiff. And I'm doing that by squeezing my shoulder blades back with my arm position how I've got them. I breathe in as I come forward, out as I push back. And that bottom position, so coming out of the bottom, we don't want to think of really standing up. We want to use the glute and the hamstring especially to drive forward. It's just like another hip hinge from the bottom. All right, so going back, I'm stepping straight through. So when I came towards you, towards the camera, I wasn't touching down in between reps. Now I'm going straight through, which requires more stability and more balance for the exercises, and is a nice subtle progression. Breathing out as you push forward, breathing in as you lower back down. Let us know how you go, guys. I hope that helps. Cheers.